Hey, what's up guys? It's been a minute. I've been away for a while now, but I'm back. I'm fully back, and we're going to be here giving you updates about Pi Network every single day. Considering the last post I made, right? This is it on the screen. I said that Pi Network is retracing. Pi Network is experiencing what we call the correction, and then it's going to bounce back. In this post, I said it, as long as it follows the technicals, that is going to bounce back, and that's exactly what Pi Network is doing right now. As it stands now, CoinMarketCap has been able to successfully update the Pi Network, and the Pi Network currently is at the 11th position in the ranking of cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap as we speak, holding the 11th position at the market cap of well over $12 billion. That's crazily amazing. That's crazily impressive. And currently, as we speak, Bitcoin is up 1.56% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is slightly up 1.06% in the last 24 hours. The entire crypto market has not been looking good for the past days now, but Pi Network is standing so strong. When you open Pi Network right now and you look at the chart, you're going to see that Pi Network is holding strong. Despite the recent dip we experienced, Pi Network is still holding strong. If you look closely, you're going to see this dotted line. It has not exceeded the dotted line so far. So good. Pi Network has been holding strong still. We are in for a nice ride. Now, that correction you guys experienced a few days ago is about to mean something very massive. Pi Network is about to pump crazily, like crazily. Expect Pi Network to pump crazily. Now, I saw this recent tweet. Binance intern made this post 6 hours ago that you are 45-degree coffee pie. Now, the only cryptocurrency that has this symbol right now is Pi Network. And why exactly would they be teasing us with this particular symbol? That means they have Pi Network at heart. And I'm very sure they're going to be listing this coin, and by the time they list this coin, it's going to be crazy. Like, the pump is going to be crazy, guys. The pump is going to be crazy. What you need to do is to make sure you hold on to your Pi Network tokens. Do not sell. When you sell, you definitely lose. That was why I had to make that post that I made a few days ago, because I know some of you might want to panic to sell some of your Pi tokens because you saw it was dipping, right? You should hold on tight. Be the diamond hands. Do not be the paper hand, right? Do not be the paper hand. So a few hours ago, this article was released on Fortune India. Picoin maintains resilience even as Bitcoin, Cardano, Solana slump over impending Trump tariff, right? We all heard about the Trump update, right? Can it keep the momentum up? That's the question that the writer is asking, if Pi Network can keep this momentum up. As a matter of fact, we can see that Pi Network has made it to the top 20 cryptocurrency, about to overthrow Tron in a matter of days, right? Now, Pi Network is gaining momentum despite Bitcoin plunge below $84,000. Will Pi Network get listed on Binance? Now, emotions are running high in the cryptocurrency market. The market witnessed a momentary upswing yesterday before slipping into a downturn today, driven by geopolitical and economic developments. A major catalyst for the upswing was the announcement of a crypto strategic reserve by US President Donald Trump yesterday, which sent major tokens like XRP, Solana, and Cardano soaring. But as we speak right now, they are all down. They are back down. And there's only so much that Donald Trump can do to manipulate the crypto space as far as I'm concerned, right? However, the optimism has been short-lived as President Trump confirms the imposition of 25% tariff on Canada and Mexico, triggering a market-wide slump. Now, Bitcoin, which briefly crossed the $84,000 mark, lost steam and struggled to reclaim lost momentum. Amid the turbulence, Pi Network has emerged as a resilient contender, displaying remarkable stability compared to its peer. Obviously, every other market is red right now. Only Pi Network is standing strong. Pi Network is standing strong as we speak. This is just the beginning. We can see that currently Pi Network has made it to the top 11. This is a milestone. Who wouldn't notice this? Top 11 cryptocurrency. There is no way Binance will not list this coin, because it is not easy for you to make the top 11. Look at the volume, look at the market cap. I mean, this cannot be, you can't make this up. You cannot make this up. Pi Network is about to go crazy. Pi Network is about to go crazy. Now let's go to the market right now and let's take a look at the volumes for each of the exchanges, right? Which is very important. We need to keep checking, keeping tabs. We need to keep tabs on each of the exchanges, right? For OKX right now, Pi Network is still $189 million volume. For BitGet, it is still $206 million volume. For MEXC, it is $102 million volume. For Gate.io, it is over $300 million volume. You can see that every single exchange that holds Pi Network, the volume is good enough. The volumes are good enough for every single exchanges that has listed Pi Network so far. And currently the price is sitting at $1.79. Price of Pi is sitting at $1.79. So guys, I realized recently that some people have been trying to discourage you to sell your Pi Network, that Pi is a scam, Pi is pointless, that the price is manipulated. Do not listen to them. They are just bitter and they're trying to forge, right? Do not listen to them. Hold on to your Pi Network coins. At the end of the day, they are going to be the one to regret. They're going to be the one to regret not taking part in the Pi Network journey. Can you remember that there were so many people that criticized Bitcoin? Right now, even governments are taking part in Bitcoin. At first, it seemed like Bitcoin doesn't make any sense. But right now, every single person is so interested in owning Bitcoin. That's just the way life is. Right now, that Pi Network is still starting. Everyone is seeing it as stupid, as something that doesn't make any sense. Now, the same thing applies to meme coins as well. When meme coins started, a lot of people were saying it has no use case, there's no utility backing meme coins, it can't do well, it can't work and all. When meme coins started taking off, the same people who criticized meme coins were the same people that started trading meme coins, right? The same thing now is applicable to Pi Network. So many people have been criticizing Pi Network. By the time Pi Network start performing well for the next year, they are still the same people that will try to take part in Pi Network. So right now, you being the pioneer, you being the initial stakeholder of this coin, do not let anyone deceive you into selling this coin. Hold on to your coin. Do not listen to them. They are just bitter. Hold on. We have a very strong community in Pi Network. Let's just cooperate. Let's be cooperative. Let's believe in this project. Let's have faith in this project. And I'm very sure we will make it to the top. So guys, if you like this content that I just put out, kindly help me smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more amazing content like this one. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.